Hello everyone, now we are at the booth of LTECH in the GILE. So let me show you what's new in LTECH booth. Here is our new product for the Matter+DALI ecosystem smart lighting control system. Here is our Matter Hub for the HomePod, and the Matter Gateway can integrate the Apple Home and Matter into our smart home system. And with our smart gateway is our super panel. So via our smart home, one family can control maximum 300 circuits of the smart gateway. So this one is our new product for the DALI Master. The name is D3000. It's already inserted the DALI bus power supply, and it can control 64 DALI address, 16 groups. So in total, one family can control 19,200 lighting fixtures for the independent DALI address to control. So here, let me show you. In the first circuit, it has our LF series for the DALI drivers, and it can control via our smart gateway panel. Let's see. All on. All off. So in our second circuit, it's the same with our syste driver. I can use our S6 to control the modes and the syncs. And here is our Creativity series for the Smart Switch S3 Pro. For the spotlight, LED strip, and spotlights, LED controller with the 4 relays, and all of these DALI smart gateway can be controlled via our central gateway. And all of the D3000 DALI smart gateway can be controlled via our smart central gateway here. Here is the first circuit. We can do it all on and all off. In the second circuit for our spotlight, all on and all off. The third circuit, all on and all off. So this is our Matter and DALI multiple ecosystem for the smart lighting control field. So you want to discover more about LTECH and the DALI Matter products, please feel free to contact us.